Don't get too comfortable. You're about to learn how to do the perfect hairstyle for every occasion. Is your hair always getting into your eyes? Let's fix that. You will need a bandage. Put it on your neck. Use the sharp end of the comb to separate the front strands of your hair. Pass them through the bandage. Put the bandage on your head, leaving some strands below. Next, take hair bands. Separate a strand on the other side of the bandage. Make a ponytail. Twist the tail through the middle. Tighten the hairband. And your hair is held nice and tight by the bandage. Small hairs won't get in the way, and your hair looks stylish and neat. No time to mess with complex hairstyles? Don't worry, this won't take more than 5 minutes. Divide the upper part of your hair into 2 ponytails. Divide one of them into parts. Curl the hair up. Twist the strands together. Do the same with the second tail. Wind the knot around your finger to make a bun. Secure it with bobby pins. Decorate the middle with roses made out of foam paper. This is a very nice look for formal events. This is such a common issue. A braid looks nice, but so does leaving my hair down. Here's another idea. Separate a side strand. Hold the strand by the tip and twist it to make a loop. Separate another strand and put it behind the loop. Fasten the curls with bobby pins. Weave all around your head. See, you don't need to spend hours in front of the mirror to look original and beautiful. This hairstyle will go perfectly with a gentle and romantic look. A regular ponytail is boring. Take a wooden skewer. Put it in your hair up to the hairband. Divide the ponytail into 2 parts. Separate the outermost strands. Put them over the skewer. Weave a fishtail braid, making loops on the skewer. Take the skewer out when you're done braiding. Whoa! It looks great! Tie the braid with a hairband. See, you don't have to go to the salon to create a formal hairstyle. It's so hard to choose a hairstyle. All these ideas are so old-fashioned. Our next idea will change things. Separate a thin strand from your hair. Make a braid. Make another braid next to it. Make a curl. Pin it down. Pin the second braid in the opposite direction. Tie the loose ends of braids with a hairband. A cute heart made out of braids will look good no matter how long your hair is. And it only takes 5 minutes to make. Oh, I think I'm in love! For this idea, you will need detangling spray and food coloring. Fill a small spray bottle with the hair product. Add the coloring. Make a red and a blue spray. Separate a strand from the top of your head. Put a sheet of cardboard under it. Apply the tinted spray on the strand. The colored strands look especially good on bleached hair. Look how beautiful it is! A rainbow unicorn would love this colorful hairstyle. I want to add a little bit of sparkle to a boring everyday look. If only I could shine like this unicorn. Well, dreams can come true. You will need glitter and hair gel. Put a little gel in a clean container. Add some glitter. Mix it in with a brush. Take a disposable syringe. Fill it with the glitter gel. Brush your hair and put the gel on it. Draw hearts. You can draw whatever you want. Time to shine like a diamond. Why not start today? Every girl has wondered, should I cut my bangs or not? Use our idea so you don't regret cutting your hair before you're ready. You will need artificial hair that matches yours. Cut the middle out with scissors. Take a wide hairband. Hot glue the hair to it. Try on the headband. Wow, that looks great! And if you get tired of having bangs, you can always take off the headband and go back to normal, and no need to cut your hair. And now take pliers and an old chain. Trim the chain. Add a connecting ring. Fasten a link from the rest of the chain to the ring. Secure the second end of the segment like this. Take decorative beads and rings. Fasten a pearl to the chain. The result is a pretty, vintage hair decoration. This modest but luxurious accessory is perfect for everyday wear and for a special occasion. Beautiful! Long hair is a perfect medium to be creative. We'll tell you how to make a beautiful 3D braid. Brush your hair and make a ponytail. Divide your hair into upper and lower parts and get some hair bands. Wrap a hairband around it like this. Divide the lower ponytail into equal parts and tie them so they don't tangle. Do the same with the rest of your hair. Braid the strands like this. Tie off the lower part of the hair. Keep braiding to the end. What a pretty braid! To make it look more original, pull out some strands. It looks very impressive! Do you love music so much that you can't imagine your life without headphones? We have a great idea for you! Spray your hair with water. Divide it into parts and twist them up. Wind a twist around a headphone. Secure the end. It looks cute! And it's convenient too! You can live your life and your hair won't get in the way. Take your hair off from the headphones after a few hours. Wow! Your hair is wavy! That's so pretty! My favorite headphones didn't let me down. Are you going on a date but you can't decide on a hairstyle? We'll tell you how to make an original braid. Separate two strands like for a half ponytail. Tie a knot. Secure it with a hairband. Take one more strand from each side. Tie another knot. Continue to braid to the end. Done! Try it! You'll like it! My short haircut is testing me! How do I keep my hair from getting into my face? Comb your hair and separate one strand on both sides. Collect the main part of the hair in a ponytail for now. Choose hairbands that match your hair color so they won't be visible. Starting from the part, separate a thin strand. Tie it with a hairband. Separate the next strand and combine the pigtails with a hairband. Pull the strand, make it bigger. Keep separating the strands and tying them off. Look, it's so easy to make, but it looks like a complicated French braid. On the other side, collect your hair in ponytails. Pass the ends of the braid under the ponytail and tie with a rubber band. Let your hair down. What a stylish summer hairdo! If your ends are very tangled, stop wearing your hair down for a while. Collect your hair in a low ponytail. Divide the ponytail into 3 strands. Divide the outermost strand into 2. Put one strand in the middle. Repeat the movement on the other side. Divide the hair and put the strand in the middle. Braid all the way. Tie it off. Pull the strands to give it volume. Cover the hairband with a string of rhinestones. The result is a big square braid. It's very stylish and it will look fine all day long. For this idea, you need a pink elastic band and pipe cleaners. Insert the pipe cleaners into the elastic band. Bend them in half. Secure the sticks by twisting. Take the tip of the stick and bend it towards the center. Do the same with the rest of the sticks. What a delicate flower! Now take a green pipe cleaner and twist it around the elastic. Fold the wire into a leaf shape. You made cute fluffy roses! Flowers in your hair are always so cute and fresh! Did you like our hairstyle ideas? Comment below which of these ideas you want to try. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell to be the first to find out about new videos on Troom Select.